You need to watch this if you struggle with money. Ready to escape the paycheck trap? Millions work hard every day, yet most never achieve financial freedom. Have you ever wondered why? You work, you earn, you pay bills, and repeat. It's a cycle designed to keep you trapped. The biggest mistake? Spending before investing. The rich invest first, the poor spend first. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. One income is too risky. The wealthy have multiple income streams. Success isn't about luck, it's about learning the right strategies and surrounding yourself with winners. What's stopping you from building wealth? Bad financial habits, fear of failure, and lack of knowledge. Smart money moves. Invest first, automate savings, and build assets that grow in value. Small changes today equal big financial wins tomorrow. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Want more expert financial strategies? Subscribe now and visit worldbusinessesforsale.com to start building real wealth today.